Hello, it's Cam from Motormatch Crewe showing you today this used Audi A5 Cabriolet finished in white. This 2016 S-Line Special Edition comes with a 2-litre TDI engine and is paired to a manual gearbox. The Bi-Neon Plus headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 10 Y-spoke design and the aluminium finish. When the roof is up, there is approximately 380 litres of usable boot space capacity, and with the roof down there is a surprising 320 litres of usable boot space capacity as well. Stepping into the back, you'll find two black leather seats, and in the middle of which is a slidable cover which will reveal two cup holders. The rear passengers can also utilise a rear climate control system which does include heated seats, which will be ideal when the roof is down. Making our way up front, the all-black interior continues with the Audi dashboard, as well as the Audi Quattro trimmings and the continuation of those black leather seats with the S-Line symbol embossed into them. They can be manually adjusted as well as electronically with lumbar support. Taking a look at the 3-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped flat-bottom Audi S-Line steering wheel, we'll find controls on the left for the mode display and on the right for the cruise control. The virtual cockpit does have a digital speedometer as well as different driving settings and telephone as well to best suit driver preference. The main infotainment system does include satellite navigation as well as hands-free telephone with radio including FM and DAB. There is Bluetooth as well, and they are all controlled via this panel on the center console. Below we do find the Audi multimedia disc tray as well as the controls for the air conditioning, which do have heated seats as well to best suit those weather conditions. We do have a retractable tray here as well, which has a storage tray and a lighter. And when the car is put into reverse, we will get a look at the rear view parking camera, which will help maneuver this vehicle. There are two exposed cup holders on the center console with a lift-up leather-wrapped armrest as well, and the control for the electronic roof is located on the center console as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this used Audi A5 Cabriolet S-Line Special Edition. For more information, please do get in touch with our sales team now.